Top fossils of primates MCQs with answer and explanation. UGC NET Anthropology. Unit-wise MCQ series. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy. A study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. 1. Primate adaptive radiation is best explained by A. Arboreal specialization. B. Dietary flexibility. C. Niche differentiation in trees. D. All of the above. Answer D. Explanation. Primate radiation occurred due to arboreal life, diverse diets, and exploitation of multiple ecological niches. 2. Which is the earliest known primate-like mammal? A. Oedipus. B. Plesiodoppus. C. Dryopithecus. D. Proconsul. Answer B. Explanation. Plesiodoppus, Paleocene, is considered a proto-primate showing early primate traits. 3. Strepsirrhines are characterized by A. Dry nose. B. Postorbital closure. C. Rhinarium and grooming claw. D. Absence of tail. Answer C. Explanation. Strepsirrhines, lemurs, lorises have a wet nose, rhinarium, and grooming claws. 4. Which primate group shows postorbital closure? A. Lemuriforms. B. Tarsiiforms. C. Anthropoidea. D. Lorisiforms. Answer C. Explanation. Anthropoids, monkeys, apes, humans have complete postorbital closure. 5. New World monkeys are distinguished by A. Narrow nasal septum. B. Non-prehensile tail. C. Prehensile tail. D. Ischial callosities. Answer C. Explanation. Many platyrrhines possess a prehensile tail adapted for arboreal life. 6. Reduction of snout and increased reliance on vision in primates is associated with A. Olfactory specialization. B. Stereoscopic vision. C. Nocturnality. D. Dental reduction. Answer B. Explanation. Forward-facing eyes enable binocular and stereoscopic vision. 7. Which primate society is matriarchal? A. Baboon. B. Chimpanzee. C. Bonobo. D. Gorilla. Answer C. Explanation. Bonobo societies are female-centered with reduced aggression. 8. Ischial callosities are found in A. New World monkeys. B. Apes. C. Old World monkeys. D. Humans. Answer C. Explanation. These sitting pads are characteristic of cercopithecity. 9. Parapithecus is considered important mainly because it A. Shows bipedal traits. B. Represents a basal catarrhine condition. C. Is a pongid ancestor. D. Shows thick enamel. Answer. B. Explanation. Parapithecus exhibits primitive catarrhine features, e.g., dental formula, crucial for understanding Old World monkey, ape ancestry. 10. Which feature most strongly links Sivapithecus to the orangutan lineage? A. Limb proportions. B. Cranial capacity. C. Facial morphology. D. Dental arcade shape. Answer. C. Explanation. Sivapithecus shares highly derived facial traits, concave face, narrow interorbital region, with modern orangutans. 11. Gigantopithecus is unique among fossil primates due to A. Evidence of bipedalism. B. Tool use. C. Extreme body size inferred from dentition. D. Cranial remains. Answer. C. Explanation. Known mainly from massive jaws and teeth, Gigantopithecus is the largest primate ever identified. 12. Which pre-hominid fossil shows possible bipedalism based on femoral morphology? A. Sahelanthropus tchadensis. B. Ardipithecus ramidus. C. Orrorin tugenensis. D. Australopithecus africanus. Answer. C. Explanation. Orrorin femur shows cortical bone distribution suggesting habitual bipedalism. 13. The primary controversy surrounding Sahelanthropus tchadensis, Toumaï, relates to A. Its age. B. Its dentition. C. Its locomotor status. D. Its geographic location. Answer. C. Explanation. Whether Toumaï was bipedal is debated, based mainly on foramen magnum position without postcranial evidence. 14. Which Australopithecine shows the most pronounced megadontia and sagittal crust? A. Africanus. B. Afarensis. C. Paranthropus, boisei. D. bahrelghazali. Answer. C. Explanation. Paranthropus boisei is hyperrobust with huge molars and strong chewing musculature. 15. Australopithecus bahrelghazali is significant because it A. Shows tool manufacture. B. Is the earliest Australopithecine. C. Extends Australopithecine range to Central Africa. D. Shows arboreal specialization. Answer. C. Explanation. Found in Chad, it challenges the East African exclusivity of early hominids. 16. Which combination is correctly matched? A. Afarensis, exclusively arboreal. B. Africanus, gracile with reduced prognathism. C. Ramidus, robust chewing adaptation. D. Paranthropus robustus, small molars. Answer. B. Explanation. A. Africanus is more gracile than robust Australopiths and shows reduced facial prognathism. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.